Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR aluminum pipe wrench set. So here's our long boy. This is an 18-inch as a standard nut adjustment, and that does move very nicely. Some of them, they actually put little springs in here as spacers, and I don't like that because they have a tendency to make it work a little bit rougher. That on the last tooth, looks like it stops measuring at 2.5 inches, but we can actually go much larger than that if we really wanted to. It is also nice to see that they just put this gauge on there, so if you know that you're going to be working with 2-inch pipe, you know exactly where you need to go. It does appear that the jaw is replaceable, so we got a spring pin in here, so if you ever need to, we can take that out and put a new one in. The handle itself is all aluminum, so that's going to make this much lighter, much easier to actually handle, and it has a hole in it, so if we need to hang that guy up, we can do that. The bottom jaw as well as the top jaw and the nut are all made out of steel, and you can see that it has a bit of a slop in it. It's actually intentional. All pipe wrenches are supposed to have that because that way when you grab and pull, that is going to lock it together, and then when you pull up, that is going to open it up. So you can get almost kind of a ratcheting motion out of it. And it does say on here this is drop forged. So I got 2 more pipe wrenches. Here's our 14-inch. Very much the same thing. This one says it is chrome vanadium. Also a very smooth feeling adjustment on here. And this one says it maxes out at 2 inches. And for a little tiny one, I never say anything bad about tiny tools because most of the time these are the ones I end up using. They're just so much smaller, so much lighter. You can fit them into smaller places. You either throw these things into a bag. These things are nice. This one is a 10-inch. And it looks like the adjustment goes up to 1.5 inches. So here I got a piece of 1/2-inch black iron pipe. I already tightened this down with a 14-inch pipe wrench. Let's set that to 1/2 inch and see if we can break this guy loose. Oh yeah. Never can be upset about a good old-fashioned pipe wrench. These things are fantastic, not just for pipes, but also just for shafts. I use these things all the time on shafts. But yeah, if the small guy can do it, imagine what those big guys can do. These things are some fantastic pipe wrenches. Nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that.